Hi guys, really quick video just showing the new power feed unit I got for my milling machine. It only took about an hour to install it. I was really happy about that. I bought it off eBay, direct from China, and even the delivery was surprisingly quick. Really happy with it. It was like it was made for the machine. I was anticipating maybe I might need to do a bit of modification or whatever to get it to fit, but no, this thing just fitted straight on, which is really good. And it works really well. I'll turn it on and just quickly show you how it works. Speed adjustment. Opposite direction. Then it's got the rapid switch. Well, that moves really quick, so I was really happy about that. The other thing too that I was really happy about, like if I get it in the slow speed, well, that is so slow. I'll just show you with the DRO how slow that is. One complete revolution of that handle is 3 millimeters of travel. So even at that speed, it's still got, you can't hold that back. It's got a lot of torque there. So yeah, really happy about that. To be honest, I think I can even get it a bit slower. Yeah, look how slow this is. And like I said, it's still got torque. Like, I can't hold that back. So you're really impressed with that. Having the limit switches there too, which are fully adjustable, is really handy. So nice. What I'll do, I'll pull this thing off just to show you how it gets fitted and how easy it is. Like, it's fully adjustable to get this thing mounted on. I'll just hold on a sec. Okay, so for my particular unit, I found that 6 millimeters spaces under here got me at the right height. So I'll just undo this. Just a couple of bolts, and then off she comes. As easy as that. And I'll just show you this piece here came with the unit, and this goes straight on and it fits and it couples up perfectly with this that was on the machine. So the way my machine came, it had this handle, and that handle went in like such, right? So to fit the unit, I just took the handle off. And that there's got a grub screw on it. Just put that on and tighten the grub screw. It was so easy and so straightforward. It was really quick to assemble this. So that was all I had to do there. And so with the actual unit, those two bolts bolt it to the bracket, and as you can see they're slotted, so that gives you adjustment like to and fro. And then you've got adjustment on these two bolts to go up and down. So all you have to do is make this adjustment so this cog lines up with this cog. That's all you got to do. And my machine worked out to be 6 mil, so I'll just put these 6 mil rods in place. Just make sure that's in center. Tighten it down. Snip that up a little bit. I'll reposition this camera and I'll just show you from underneath the cog. So as you can see now, the gears there are aligned. I'll just give it a wiggle. And if I go just softly back and forth, you'll be able to hear the little bit of play that I got. And with these straight cut gears, that's what you want. You want a little bit of play. You don't want them hard up binding, because you'll wear out those gears, and you may even put excessive load on the unit. So yeah, just a little bit of play, and that's perfect. And as I said just before, you've got heaps of adjustment with this machine. You've got up and down, in and out, and even side by side there. So it was like this unit was made for this machine. And what I'll do, I'll put up a picture of the eBay site where I bought this from, and it's got the model number of the auto feed unit. And yeah, so so anyone that's got one of those cloned Taiwanese milling machines, they're sold under heaps of different brand names. This unit will bolt straight onto it. And so what it will say is, for anything that's got a 17 mil lead screw, it'll bolt straight onto. So thanks for watching, guys. Any comments, just put them down below. And if this has helped anybody out, give them some confidence to go ahead and buy the unit for their machine, then that's great. Okay, see ya.